In today's medical device manufacturing environment, precision is not optional. It's essential. At Sono Tek, we specialize in ultrasonic coating systems designed to apply ultra-thin, micron-scale coatings with unmatched accuracy, repeatability, and reliability, helping manufacturers meet the most demanding performance and regulatory requirements. Our ultrasonic spray technology enables uniform thin-film deposition across a wide range of critical medical devices. From implantable cardiac stents with anti-restenosis drug coatings to balloon catheters, blood collection tubes, diagnostic devices, and medical textiles, Sono Tek systems deliver consistent results on even the most complex geometries. Unlike conventional spray methods, ultrasonic atomization produces fine, controlled droplets without high pressure or excessive overspray. This allows precise control of coating thickness, exceptional material efficiency, and superior film quality, critical for functional coatings where performance and dosage matter. Sono Tek systems are widely used to apply anti-restenosis drugs, antimicrobial coatings, polymers, hydrophilic and hydrophobic coatings, silicones, heparin, and many other functional materials. Each coating is applied with the accuracy required to ensure safety, efficacy, and repeatable device performance. Whether you're working in early-stage R&D or full-scale production, Sono Tek offers solutions tailored to your process. Our portfolio includes benchtop systems for development, custom-designed platforms, and fully automated, inline coating systems engineered for high-volume medical device manufacturing. Every system is built with process control in mind, allowing precise adjustment of flow rate, spray pattern, and coating thickness. The result is reliable, scalable performance you can validate and trust, batch after batch. For medical device engineers, this means faster process development, reduced material waste, and confidence that critical coatings are applied exactly as intended, every time. With decades of experience in ultrasonic spray technology, Sono Tek works closely with manufacturers to solve complex coating challenges and bring advanced medical devices to market. If your application demands precision thin-film coatings, repeatable performance, and proven reliability, ultrasonic spray may be the solution. Discover how Sono Tek ultrasonic coating systems can elevate your medical device manufacturing process and help you deliver the highest quality devices for critical care.